Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Here on the Link chart, we can see that the market is still holding below resistance. I've added a microstructure down there and we'll see if that is what's playing out. I'm going to zoom in a minute. Bigger picture. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Here the idea is still that a B wave could have indeed formed a price top. That was here in December at around $31. And we could indeed be working our way down in a 5-wave structure. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. And we could get one more low in wave 5. And that 5th wave should be a 5-wave move. So we're going to take a look at that in a minute. Overall, however, it just means that we are probably still in this correction. Could easily get another low. And I mentioned in the last update that it seems likely that the price will kind of gravitate towards the $11 mark. Yeah, $11, $10.70. So $11, $10.70 sort of as the target for this move down, at least as the next target. If that's not enough to complete the correction, there is some further downside potential and support could be found around $8.93 to $8.60. There's another cluster of fib levels and then $7.43 to $6.91, but that would be quite deep again. So I would prefer here in the upper half of that support zone that the price can actually find support, turn around and possibly start the next move to the upside. Looking at the shorter time frame, you can see that the price is still holding below our signal line, which would be an important level to watch for a potential breakout, but we're far away from that. So below that one, the trend is rather down, $17.73. However, then within this move down, we have even Fibonacci resistance, which is between $13.74 and $14.39. We are currently holding below Fibonacci resistance, which means that the trend is down. Because the pressure is down against Fibonacci resistance, if we are printing lower lows, lower highs, and we cannot even break above the nearest resistance. And also we can, when we look at the micro count, and we can identify still the potential for another low, well, then there's no evidence that a low has formed. Yeah, I mean, visually, 5 waves down are already completed. Yeah, I shared that with you. This here is the 3rd wave down, a 4th wave, and the 5th wave. The question is just, in that 5th wave, do we get another low? Yeah, and that seems likely at this stage. If we zoom in a little bit further, then we can see that here in this internal 5th wave down, we're kind of tracking here another 5-wave move. I'm not confident about this. This is always the matter with these microstructures. If you go too much into the smallest detail, these are very, very fragile. So at the moment, we could argue, okay, maybe this is a 1-2 and we're now in the 3rd wave and it's forming a small additional 1-2 setup. But if this was really a 3rd wave down, it should actually sell off, which we don't see right now. So it might, let's say, it might invalidate that microstructure, might reset here that 4th wave. But if it goes above 1439, 1440, that's the first indication a low has actually formed. Then we would also probably break above the Monday high, which is around 1460, which is very close. So these are the levels to watch. It looks likely that we get another low at this stage, yeah. But keep an open mind because this correction has already lasted quite long. And I'm rather looking for an upside reversal. And it's just that as long as we stay below resistance, I can't confirm a reversal, right? That's the same situation with Bitcoin. I'm still overall, while a lot of people are overall already looking for a bear market, yeah, I'm still overall leaning towards the potential for another high, not only on the Link chart, but Bitcoin as well, obviously. I could be wrong about that. It's a matter of perspective. I've been highlighting since November, December, when Bitcoin hit the 100K mark, that, I mean, it's about one more high, or we're already starting the bear market, right? Because we're so close to a major top and in the late innings of the bull market. So the overall risk is obviously high, and most of the bullish market is of this bullish cycle is likely over. However, yeah, there is still a chance and we're still holding above yellow support here on the link chart as well, and also Bitcoin, obviously, and that will kind of go together, yeah, these coins. So yeah, just an update about the levels here. Really not much change since yesterday. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.